So I'd like to share my review on the 10 by 10 and the 7 by 10 plastic curtains. And so I'm using these in my pavilion as just like a rain wind block. It does have the roping threaded into the plastic. You do have these little rings on all four sides. And so we actually are securing ours with a board at the top that just kind of pinches it so that it stays in place. And then I actually zip tie PVC pipe to the bottom to kind of weigh it down a little bit. And then we can roll them up. So if we don't want the plastic down, we just roll it up and it just hangs there suspended. And then when it's windy or if it's raining, we can just drop them. And as you can see, even on this section, I have little clips coming down. And when I roll it up, then I can actually clip it to the rope. But otherwise, I love how clear it is. They're really easy to change. As far as the thickness, you know, it's your average thickness, so it should be fairly durable, although the issue I have in the winter is that when it's really cold and it bounces up against furniture, it will start to crack. But I have taken tape and put it over both sides, and then that can help prolong it for a couple more years. So hopefully this helps. If you're looking for some clear plastic curtains, you know, to put on a pavilion or something similar to this. One other thing that came with each set of curtains was rope. So you got 2 bundles. Here's the thickness of the rope. And then it also came with zip ties, which was perfect, so I could zip tie it to my PVC pipe. But otherwise, I don't have a need for the rope, but here on the farm, I'm sure we can find lots of uses for rope.